This is a quick introduction to the Can I Retire Yet Pro retirement calculator. Can I Retire Yet Pro is the most powerful and comprehensive solution for retirement planning on Android. It includes features such as life cycle data for both you and a spouse, user-defined asset classes, multiple account types including cash, taxable investments, and both traditional and Roth-style retirement accounts. You can also set within each account the type of asset allocation and a rebalancing strategy. There's also accurate tax treatment, including capital gains. The program offers unlimited financial events of different types. You can have deposits, withdrawals, transfers, earned income, pensions, and real property. The app features extensive output capabilities as well. You can go into reports, look at the cash flow report, and this is a tabular output. The rows are years in the simulation, and the columns are various important financial values. The income that you're receiving, the tax you're paying, your tax rates, and then the balances in all of your accounts, and lastly, your net worth by year. The net worth report is a graph of those same account balances, giving you a visual view of your financial progress. On the vertical axis is a dollar value, millions of dollars in this case, and on the horizontal axis is the year of the simulation. And the green line is your ending net worth throughout the simulation. The app also has an extensive transaction log report, and this shows you a number of things. For starters, all your input data, your settings, the data about the people and the events you'll be modeling, your tax parameters. And then for each year in the simulation, there's a section showing all the cash flow or transactions for that year. You see all the events taking place and the money flowing in between accounts. You see the growth happening to your accounts during the year and the end of the year. Very importantly, Can I Retire Yet Pro does detailed federal tax calculations, and this is an exclusive feature that virtually no other retirement app provides. It's critical to giving you an accurate analysis of your future tax flows and cash flows. We use inflation-adjusted marginal tax brackets to project your taxes into the future, so there's no guessing at effective tax rates. The program computes your taxable Social Security, adjusted gross income, itemized deductions like mortgage interest, your standard deduction, taxable income, self-employment tax, and of course your federal tax owed. Also, starting at age 70, the program computes required minimum distributions, and it shows your marginal tax bracket every year so you can do critical tax planning. The program incorporates inflation every year, and then it produces a number of statistics, including your asset allocations, account balances, and tax rates. Finally, by touching the envelope icon at the top, you can email or share reports to yourself or others. Now, before you get started, here are a few quick reminders on how to use Can I Retire Yet Pro for data input and editing. First, you expand any section just by tapping on it. You can go into the various screens and make edit changes. You back up by touching the back arrow on your device, and that will take you up a level each time you touch it. In certain sections, like events, you can create new items by touching the New button up in the toolbar. You can delete or rename existing items by long pressing on the item. You'll get a pop-up menu with rename or delete. From anywhere in the program, you can touch the Find button to perform a calculation, and you'll immediately see the net worth updated there in the title bar. If you long press on Find, the program will jump to the report screen where you can quickly open one of the reports. Finally, know that all the changes you make in the program are automatically stored and will be there the next time you open it. So that's an introduction to the Can I Retire Yet Pro retirement calculator. For more information and links to additional resources, get help within the app just by touching the question mark at upper right. Once you're in the help, scroll up or down in the list and touch the item of interest to get detailed information in the lower panel.